Have you ever wondered as to how World Wide Web works? What happens within the system when we are happily browsing? With this video I'll show you how web browsers and servers work. A web browser is a software application for accessing the information on the World Wide Web, that is www. A World Wide Web is a system of interlinked hypertext documents contained on the internet. To access the World Wide Web, all we need is an internet connection and a web browser as shown. We enter the name of the website we want to access in the address bar of the browser and click enter. When we click enter, the real work of the browser begins. The browser converts the request into packets of code that are easy to transmit. These packets of codes are then transmitted. The Internet Service Provider, that is the ISP, receives these packets of code and looks for the IP addresses. The World Wide Web, that is the www, has a number of servers. The Internet Service Provider sends the request to the correct server, containing the requested web page based on IP addresses. The web server receives the request sent by the browser through the Internet Service Provider and responds to the request. The server sends back the requested web page in similar packets of code to the web browser through the Internet Service Provider. The Internet Service Provider directs the package to browser by looking at the IP address. The web browser receives the packet of code sent by the web server and displays the contents of the web page by interpreting the code. The web browser sends the request for a web page over the internet to the web server. In return, the web server sends back the response to the browser over the same medium.